Hi, Golden. I think you're doing some good things here, particularly in happy. Good use of colors, um, blue, green, yellow, kind of an analogous grouping. Good fun shapes, interesting things going on here. When we get to morning, this is a little bit too representational. Clouds and skies and what looks like a kind of a landscape form here. And remember, you're supposed to be using non-representational imagery. That is, not drawings of things that do exist or could exist. So clouds and stars do exist. So I would suggest here going back to the approach you took in happy, using simple form to express the idea. But your use of color here is quite good. Grays and blacks quite often associated with morning. Whimsical. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here. You've got one very, very thin, almost undetectable blue line here. And I would suggest adding some additional weight to this stroke, maybe adding some shape, adding some color here to better communicate your idea. Right now it's because it is so tentatively done, it's almost non-existent. And then looking at angry. I like your use of red and black here, but think of angry as aggressive shapes. And you're starting to use them here, but again, using representational forms, lightning bolts. And it also looks like you're just picking these created shapes off a Microsoft product menu, and I would rather have you create your own shapes and forms. But think about it as an aggressive emotion, not curvilinear forms, but angular forms. And it's quite an explosive and kinetic emotion. So if you could further communicate that here in your forms, that would be fantastic. I think overall your use of color is strong, but you do have some representational imagery and some very tentative imagery here, and I would like you to revisit these, make your revisions, and then send them back to me for a grade, okay?